How to fix Huawei mobile phone message notification not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. And then again click on apps and then search here messages. Now click on messages and now here you can force stop your messages. After force stop your messages, then go back to your home screen and swipe down to your control center. If you turn on do not disturb mode, then turn it off. After turning off do not disturb mode, then open settings and scroll down in last and click on system updates. After clicking on system and updates, you can see the option reset. Now click on reset and then click on reset all settings. And then again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.